check it out. This is American Bad. I got that song stuck in my head now. No, I'm kidding. This is a 2008 Ford F-250 XLT. Did I fuck up again? Did I mess up? No, I'm kidding. All right, ready? Take two. Ready? Go. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check it out. This is a 2008 Ford F-250 6.4 liter turbo diesel XLT. Badass truck. Got to go over a bunch of goodies on it, and I'm going to show you here in just a hot minute. But first, I'm going to give you a little bit of background about what went on with the famous radiator leak. So anyways, I had a radiator leak. These 6.4s are known for. They're infamous for having bad radiators. If you guys haven't had one in the past, you probably will, and this problem will probably happen to you. Anyways, the mounts are what causes it to shake the radiator and bust in. Mishimoto sells a kit that has the brackets on them. They attach to the bottom of the radiator that support it better, have more bushings in it that prevent it from cracking and hitting where it's not supposed to hit. Anyways, long story short, called Mishimoto and said, oh, I got this truck. It's got a Mishimoto radiator in it. It does have an intercooler also. It's got a Mishimoto hose piping kit and intercooler in the truck right now. As you notice in a minute, the Mishimoto radiator is in the bed of the truck, and I'll tell you why. It's got a brand new radiator in it, okay? But try to call Mishimoto and saying, hey, I bought this truck, it's got a Mishimoto radiator, and the radiator started leaking. I said, all right, no, cool, no problem. We'll dig a little bit into it. Long story short, they wouldn't supply me with a warranty on their radiator because they said I did not have the original receipt. Who's gonna have the original receipt if I'm a fourth owner or third owner of this damn truck? Not me. Pretty sure the guy tossed it out when he had it anyway. So long story short, if you buy a truck, if you buy a car, if you have anything that has a performance radiator in it, ask them for the damn receipt or paperwork. It's worth your time. You'll save a couple $100. It's pretty pricey. Anyways, on with the truck. So it's a 2008 Ford F-250 turbo diesel, 6.4 liter XLT, 4-door short bed. Does have a few scratches and dents in it, you'll notice. It's got a set of 20x9 XD crank wheels on it, wrapped in a set of gorgeous, famous TOYO Open Country 35 1250 20s. Got some nice meat on them. Sporting some Bilstein shocks right there. We got MBRP exhaust, dual exhaust on it. So here's the rest of the truck. Here's the bottom. I'll show you guys. All right, it's got a few rock chips. Show a little bit of its age. Dent right there. Here's the underside. It's got a straight pipe with a muffler, MBRP muffler on it. So there you have it right there. Okay. Working our way towards the back. Oh, there she is, Mishimoto! Mishimoto! Who's barking? Someone's barking. Anyways, let's jump up back here and check this sucker out. So here we are. Mishimoto radiator. You get the freaking serial number and everything. Lifetime warranty. Well, how come you didn't warranty it for life, Mishimoto? Hey, because I don't have the receipt. Well, too bad. Well, fuck you. Okay, see you later. Click. There it is. So you can see this dark area where it was leaking at. And if you go up under here, you can kind of see where the hatred's coming from. But I won't get my hands dirty. I'm not going to show you that part. So we're going to move on with the truck. On to a better day, right? It's got, you know, truck's nice overall shape. Dent there, like I was saying. It's clean. Inside's pretty nice. It's got some aftermarket headlights on it. Kick-ass looking headlights. I'll show you that in a minute. It's got, let me see here. What else we got? BOONDOCK front bumper and rear bumpers on it. And it has aftermarket grill on it. It's got some paint's all right. Paint's in decent shape. It's got a bug guard here for all those bugs you don't want to hit. Triple pod gauges in it. Interior's nice and clean. What else? Let me start up and show you guys the headlights. It's got 93,000 miles on it, I want to say. Let me see. It doesn't say it. So let's just put a key in the damn ignition. Start the son of a gun up. 93,297. And I want to say we're asking $22,000 for this truck. Pretty damn cheap if you ask me. So AC works, heat works, stereo works, doubled in CD player, no sunroof, HID or LEDs in all the lights and stuff like that. Get your gauges here. These are some kick-ass gauges. You get your whole bunch of shit. Your trans temp, your boost, and your exhaust temp right there. So let's move on to pumping the hood. Show you guys under the hood. Yeah, so nothing. Coal. I'm gonna show you guys, man. I gotta cut this video down short actually, so we're gonna move on so I can roll coal for you guys. I know all you guys out there are like, oh, roll coal, go roll coal. I'm standing here. Here's the truck. That's how high the truck is to me. I'm 6 foot tall. Here's how wide the tires stick out. Hope that gauges something for you guys. And this doesn't rub or anything. The bumper's got a little bit of rust on it. Sorry if I'm rambling on a whole bunch of shit. Bilstein shocks, upgraded brake lines. Pump the hood and see what kind of goodies. Ready? Let me cut this off so I can actually hear you guys, because I can't hear shit. There we go, much better. I'm gonna have to make it kind of quick because we're going on 6 minutes right here. It's got a Sinister Diesel EGR delete. It has cold air intake, filter system. It's got Mishimoto hose clamps. It's got charge pipe clamps, whatever you want to freaking call them. Here's the new radio that I just spent a lot of freaking money on putting the damn thing in. All the way brand new sucker. Mishimoto intercooler. Yeah. So let's close the hood. Get you guys a good picture of the under the hood ready. Here you go. Nice and clean, pretty nice. Sinister Diesel. So it's got a diff cover on it, rear diff cover too. I'm gonna do a walk around and drive it so you guys can see the video of it driving and blowing coal, rolling coal. What's up with you guys loving this rolling coal shit? Anyways, I gotta take off because the video's getting long. This is Mark with the 2008 Ford F-250 6.4 liter turbo diesel Powerstroke XLT with 92,000 miles on it. We're probably gonna be asking around right at $22,000 for this truck. Really nice and clean, runs really good. So here you go. Ready? Put you back on the stand, cameraman. I'm gonna go to the rear because I like those. I like seeing those behinds. You know, what guy doesn't? And for the girls out there, pretty sure you girls like seeing behinds too of these trucks. So check it out. Here we go. Ready? I should probably go from this side because this side's better because I'll be taking off that way. Put you in the grass. All right, here we go. Ready? Camera down. There we go. Guys, this is Mark signing out. Peace out. Subscribe. Holler at me. I'm gonna go roll coal. So see you guys later. Peace out. Subscribe. Notification button.